My name is Emma. I am a senior 2 and I'm graduating in the summer of 2023. My favorite spot on campus is definitely the Learning Commons. Everything you need is in one place. The D spaces are awesome with all the technology. The social scene is super fun. Since we're so small, everyone knows everyone. My favorite professor on campus is Professor Grether. He's super fun, he's super interesting, he brings in a lot of real-world examples. Kettering is awesome to accelerate your future before you graduate. I think right now the school management has 100% job placement after you graduate, which is just awesome to see. Students are already accepting full-time offers before they graduate. So I think that's one of the big things, is that if you choose Kettering, you're accelerating your future already. Starting as a freshman, you're already going to be ahead of the game compared to others.